Welcome to Year 2000 Core Korean Words and Phrases video series quiz. Each week, we will release a video teaching you new vocabulary. The following week, you will be given a quiz so you can test your progress. Click the link in the description. Let's learn and review the words for your test. But if you're ready, it's quiz time! 지배인 셀프 서비스 물병 음식을 주문하다 양식 Italian food Chinese food Ethnic food Shrimp Salmon Great job on completing the quiz! If you didn't get 100%, don't worry. Just check out the previous video again to review the expressions we covered. But before you go, we have a free gift that you don't want to miss. Use it to expand your vocabulary. Click the link in the description below to download our Korean ebook with the core 2000 words for daily life situations.